National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in Alabama until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the National Weather Service indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near West Jefferson, or 9 miles south of DORA, and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include HUEYTOWN, Fairfield, Bessemer, Homewood, Vestavia Hills, Birmingham, Mountain Brook, and Oak Grove. This includes Interstate 65 exit numbers 252 through 262, Interstate 459 exit numbers 1 through 23, US 78 exit numbers 81 through 91, Interstate 20 exit numbers 104 through 128. Winds of 70 to 80 miles per hour will uproot trees, down power lines, and cause damage to homes and structures. This is a dangerous storm. If you're in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jefferson County, Alabama.